Here's why I regret my fat transfer to my breast.
Hi, beautiful. So, fat cells, and this goes for anybody who went on an extreme diet just to lose the weight, and a year later it piles back on, if not more. And they have thyroid issues and their metabolism is a lot slower. Fat likes to store toxins. Cellulite is basically just fat cells with endotoxins, phthalates, heavy metals. It can store triple the amount of these phthalates from plastics and just expand. So anytime you are on trying to lose weight, it would be wise, besides eating healthy, to take a binder, minerals, and get in the sauna to sweat out these xenoestrogens, these phthalates, all these pesticides, herbicides, fungicides that man has created that don't belong in our environment, but somehow they've convinced us that it does, and it's having an effect on our body, and I believe to an extent our mental health. Binder, apple pectin, it's literally an apple fiber. I'm not a fan of lab-made supplements. Again, I like to always rely on nature, God's made supplements. Shilajit is wonderful, again, a binder, but will also give you minerals, and studies are there for chronic fatigue, anemia, libido, osteoporosis. I could go on and on. But when you're trying to embark on a weight loss journey, or you are doing stem cells from your own blood, it would be wise to clean up your body first before using that. So for weight loss, you still want to do binders, minerals, sauna. I like to do PRP for my blood, and before I go do that, I inject my blood back into my face. I like to clean my blood, so I'm injecting good things back into my face.